Guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to actually illustrate a freestyle skateboard illustration. So this is my video of how I just freestyle doing an illustration of a skateboard character. I use a purple color palette where I could actually just kind of have a chill vibe and have the character just seated on there with a yo-yo. If you want to stay tuned for more creative content, stay tuned every single Tuesday where I'll be uploading a video just for you. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if there was anything that you liked in this video. The duration of this video, I actually planned out to do sketches, so stay tuned to see how that was developed. This actual illustration, I think now that the shapes are there, I'm going to go ahead and add some color to probably add a bit more dimension to the actual illustration. It's a very flat design, so I just wanted it to be simple and easy for the eye. Fun and engaging creative content Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if there was anything you did like in this video. I'd love to know more about yourself in the comments. If you do creative things, or if you like to be a bit more creative, let me know in the comments below. How you doing? You'll probably see that I added typed, which was kind of like graffiti. Whenever I think of skateboarders, I think, oh, they're like street, they like these skateboards on the street. So when I picked the font, I thought graffiti. I see that a lot on the street, so that's the reason why I picked that. I kind of like the font that I chose, and I went to defont.com, which is a pretty simplistic font web design website for fonts. Where you can just get some easy free fonts and just grab them. I would note, do try and kind of adjust the font to the way you want it to be. A lot of these fonts are replicated and used a lot by a lot of designers. You can also stay tuned with my creative processes at Liberty Designs Lab on Instagram, where I quite regularly update my illustration and design work during the week if you want to keep updated. I also have a Facebook group under the name of @Liberty's Design Lab, where I engage a bit more with my community, so if you want to be a part of that, feel free. So now that I'm done with the actual illustration, I think my thoughts behind it is, I feel like I could have done I feel like I could have changed the color tones a bit. I really love the vibe of it being really chill, and the purple, like I love the color purple, so it was fun to just kind of add a color palette just towards that. But I feel like I could have given the character a bit more brighter colors. So when you are doing a character or an illustration, it's just important to add a bit more. Think about the color palette, think about whether the character is going to stand out in the background. So I really should have thought about that. On top of that, my character it was quite abstract, so you didn't actually see the whole body of the character. You only saw the head and the arms coming out, being seated on a skateboard, just chilling. Now you've seen how I actually designed a skateboard character design using Adobe Illustrator. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if there's anything that you did like.